Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Blood Oxygen and Heart Rate Measurement with Max30100 Pulse Oximeter using ESP32 module. So in this project we are using an 5 volts power supply module, ESP32S rover module, LM35 temperature sensor and Max30100 pulse oximeter. It is connected to the I2C protocol SCL SDA. Those are connected with the 2221 pin number. LM35 temperature sensor, it is connected to the ADC0 36th pin, and 16 cross 2 LCD display, it is connected with RS enable D4 D5 D6 D7 19 18 D4 D5 D6 D7 5 4 2 15th pin number. SC0 actually inbuilt Bluetooth is available, but it is not accessing. That's why I am using external Bluetooth module. Those are connected with the TX2 SC05 Bluetooth module. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using one hardware module. So first of all, here we are using one SC05 Bluetooth module we are using. So this LED should be on and off. So first you have to go for the Bluetooth on. So once Bluetooth on, you need to pair the device. Okay. So contrast adjustment. Okay. So here SC05 Bluetooth module is connected. Okay. So now go to the app which is from the Google Play Store, Bluetooth terminal app. Okay. So here SC05. So now Bluetooth is connected to SC05. So here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED, power supply board. Okay. And ESP32 module, HC05 Bluetooth module, LM35 temperature sensor, and 16 cross 2 LCD display, and pulse oximeter sensor. Okay. So here continuously fetching the data, heart rate, SpO2, temperature. So now I am going to connect my thumb to the pulse oximeter. So temperature sensor is also increasing, pulse oximeter value, all the data it is continuously updating. Okay, I scroll J paiki. So it is continuously taking the data, temperature 96, scroll J. Scroll BPM, SpO2, temperature, doop stick, and power supply board, ESP32 module and Bluetooth module, 16 cross 2 LCD display, and pulse oximeter sensor, and here is the heartbeat module, SC05 Bluetooth module, heart rate and SpO2. Scroll here. Okay, continuously we are monitoring the data onto the hyper terminal, and this is our block diagram, and here we are using the code. So LCD pin numbers are 19 18 5 11 5 and 15. So blood oxygen and heart rate temperature monitoring using ESP32 success, and continuously monitoring the BPM, SpO2 and temperature sensor. It is scroll 44 69 72 69 72, scroll 85, scroll. After 2 to 3 pulses, it will take continuous data. And this is our program code. And this is our block diagram. Thank you.